Hello everyone, I am Shamran. Welcome to the channel. So in the previous video we have seen different unit processes for conventional surface water treatment system. So today we will discuss what are the treatment processes for groundwater. So before going to the detailed discussion, we need to know why the groundwater is treated. So most of the groundwaters are turbid free and they are pathogen free. There is no pathogenic bacteria in general, but in that case that groundwater can be treated by providing some minimal doses of chlorine, that is a disinfection process, and then it can be supplied to the domestic purposes. So let us see an example by a pictorial presentation for this case study. So this picture shows the pathogen-free groundwater can be treated like this. Here, this is a disinfection process where chlorine is added and the dissolved gases like CO2, H2S is released from there. And after that, this is a post-chlorination process to arrest the further contamination from the distribution system. So now we will discuss the groundwater which have some contaminants or some organic materials. So most of these cases, the presence of iron and manganese which can be removed from this groundwater is by the process of aeration. So the Fe, that is iron, in the groundwater is present as Fe2+. So this is in the dissolved form. So if the aeration process happened, so in presence of oxygen it gets Fe3+ precipitation. So in this way this iron can be removed from this groundwater treatment. Now another one, there are some dissolved gases in groundwater. They are like CO2, H2S, nitrogen oxide, methane, ammonia. So these dissolved gases causes bad odor, bad taste and some corrosivity in the groundwater. So this can be omitted from this groundwater by the process of aeration. So we will discuss this aeration process in detail in our next lecture. So let us see a flow chart that will show how the groundwater treatment happens in some different unit processes. So if this is a tube well from where the water is pumped, so this is groundwater pumped through from this tube well. So a catalytic unit, this is a catalytic unit, here MnO2 catalyst it's provided here. So why this is provided? To increase the rate of reaction or to minimize the time requirement for this aeration process. So after that the aeration process is provided. Now after this the water sent to filtration unit. Now before this filtration unit we can have here addition of chemical coagulants like alum. So here a clariflocculator unit is provided, that is chemical sedimentation, because after this aeration process the suspended solids and the colloids, this can be removed by adding these coagulants by forming some flocks and as removing as sludge from here. So after this filtration unit there is softening unit for removal of hardness. If this water has some hardness, this can be removed by the softening unit. Now after this, the advanced water treatment system can be provided. So this is advanced water treatment. So this can be provided in the form of RO, that is reverse osmosis, adsorption, electrochlorination, and advanced oxidation. So why this advanced water treatment system is needed here? Because to remove the dissolved organics, salts and metals. So all these metals, dissolved organics, can be removed by this advanced water treatment system. So after this, as in this case the groundwater is contained with some pathogenic bacteria, because this is not same like the previous case, so we need to provide here the disinfection process. That means addition of chlorine to remove some pathogenic bacteria and further contamination with this pathogenic bacteria. Now this water is now ready to be served for this domestic purpose. So from this storage tank, this can be supplied by distribution system. So this is the whole process of groundwater treatment. So from the tube well it can be pumped, and after applying this catalytic unit to minimize our aeration time, after this aeration, this is totally optional, the clariflocculation unit for further sedimentation, and after that the filtration unit, and followed by the softening unit for removal of hardness, and providing this advanced water treatment system for further removal of this dissolved organics and for removal of this pathogenic bacteria by disinfection process, and further storage for further distribution. If you have any query or any suggestion, do comment in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So thank you for watching.